Exist physically, but after its elimination, it becomes larger than the reality. It is structural and returns to our imagination, becoming a part of it once again. Ahmed Hussain was the wisest who lived in his imagination.
You claim that you were born on the 17th of September 1950, but I know you may tell me what you're saying.
It's very sad. We was trying to find the music to do what's also in my mind. The death of the season had a profound and lasting impact.
Imagine really strong.
Following his mother's description,
He loved me, and he was very keen that I should become a painter. I said, I don't want to stop. I don't want to. That was my great evolution. I got to see thinking of a painter.
One of his notable peers, he set up the Progressive Artists Group, seeking to break away from the British colonialism and create a new visual language for the art of modern.
And we were to evolve a very contemporary ego. We should have solutions here, our own concept, our own everything.
By the 1960s, Hussain was lending his unique perspectives to a new medium. This marked a new era. It cemented his position in history, but not without controversy.
Whatever I have done so far, I have done with conviction and love. Art is dangerous. If art is not dangerous, it's gone.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Travel in the land and see how Allah originated creation, and then He will bring forth the creation of the hereafter. Allah, the Almighty, has spoken the truth. Seeroo fi ardh by Maqbool Fida Husain. In a story of civilization, born of wonder, contemplation, and a restless search for meaning. The journey begins with the first footsteps on earth. Footsteps that harnessed the power of animals, created machines to conquer the land, and dared to race the birds in the sky. It began with a command. A divine instruction, echoing through the ages. Seeroo fi ardh. Travel through the earth and observe how creation began. Before the image, there was the impulse. Before the wine, vibration. A search for form in the darkness. A story waiting for the light. And from the light, the first partnership took shape. Man mounted the horse to conquer the land, and in doing so, harnessed the untamed heart of the world. The horse became more than an animal. It was an idea in motion. A cavalry of light, born from memory, carrying the energy of ancient epics. Dancing a story of ambition, chivalry, and strength. Then the partnership evolved. Man invented power machines to speed his endless achievements. And the dance of conquest accelerated. There, form followed function. A caravan of machines glided into view. Each a monument to human ingenuity. But the conquest of the land was never enough. The achievements had to reach for the air. Look up. There, the winged coat of Abbas Ibn Firnas from Andalusia, a polymath who dared to leap centuries ahead of his time. And there, the elegant ornithopter of Leonardo da Vinci from Renaissance Italy, an artist and scientist who meticulously designed a future he could not yet build. Two brilliant minds from two different worlds, united across the ages by the same dream, to grant humanity wings. And then, the culmination. The horse that conquered the land. The machine that mastered the earth. The dream that reached for the sky. All were brought together in a final, single form. It was not flesh nor steel.